Hello friends, welcome to Tuesday's video. So last week I tried the raindrop technique with UV resin and then 2-part resin, and I had a brain fart. That's what all of my best ideas are called. I want to try to make a moon. I want to make a moon with this technique. This will probably not look like a moon very much. Probably won't even work very well. But that's what I'm going to try today. I got a cat hair on the outside here and it's pissing me off. There we go. So yeah, so I'm going to do the same technique as I did with these. You know, make little blobs and then fill the rest of it up with resin. I'm going to be using like a silver gray resin to fill it up with, you know, since the moon is gray. And yeah, so that's what I'm going to try today. Hopefully it works. I'm sure even if it doesn't look like a moon, I'm sure it'll still look really cool. So, all right, that was a very quick intro. Without further ado, let's get started. Alright friends, this is cured. Should we see how it turned out? Just getting off some of this extra. Alright. Just really hoping that I don't cut myself on this excess of bubbles at the top. You know? So I'm just going to loosen this up a little bit. Okay, and then I'm going to put just a little bit of rubbing alcohol in there. Just kind of massage that around. Because what that should hopefully do is loosen up the rest of it so that it comes out pretty easily. Okay. Oh, you were so close. Don't stop on me now. All right. Well, does it look like the moon or does it look more like a deformed disco ball? I mean, some of these spots are kind of cool and interesting looking. You know, some of them look like craters from the moon. This part on the bottom doesn't. Let's see if we can clean this off. Okay. There we go. Just kind of get that mass of bubbles off. Which is kind of cool because that also kind of looks like a crater. But it's also a flat surface for this to sit on, you know. So yeah, I made something that looks, let's be honest, it's the moon's twin, you know. No, it's very interesting. I think it would be really cool if you could do something similar with the Earth. Like if you had a steady hand and knew how to draw and could draw, you know, the continents, you know, and then just dust those with like a green or a brown and then do blue for your main pour. I think that would look really cool too. But yeah, really interesting looking. Definitely otherworldly. Let's just say that. Either that or a really messed up disco ball. Or microphone. Alright, that was my experiment for today. Have you done any experiments lately? Let me know. Comment down below. Anyway, thank you guys so very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. Really helps out my channel. Helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.
Live it up, live it up, live it up.